Hey everybody, this is Charlie with 1845 Barndominiums. We're outside of Marshall, Texas today to show you a shell build that we did with 1845. This is the 3G Ranch Barndominium. We've got over 5,000 square foot of living space in this layout, 11,000 square foot total under roof with the shop that we've added on, the breezeway connection, and all the porches. We've got a pool in the back. 1845 came in and helped with the design and layout of this one. We've got the layout done. We built the shell phase 1, and then the homeowner came in and kind of contracted everything out for themselves. So all of you DIYers that watch our channel, we're going to show you how we turned a shell phase 1 from 1845 Barndominiums into this completed project. This is a gorgeous 5,000 square foot Barndominium. I can't wait to show you the tour. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and do that now. We would love to have questions and comments in the comment area below. Don't forget to ring that bell so that you get notifications each and every time we post content here on the Barndo channel. Don't forget about our social media outlets and of course our website, 1845barndominiums.com. If you or anybody else you know is interested in making your dream a reality, whether it's a shell like the 3G Ranch here, a turnkey, floor plans, or a kit package, we would love to talk to you about how we can help you from design to completion with 1845 Barndominiums. I'm really excited. Let's get inside here and show you this beautiful 3G Ranch Barndominium outside of Marshall, Texas.
Wow.